Hi, my dear students. A very good morning to you all. I hope you are all fine at your home. And today, in our math session, we are going to continue the exercise 5.1 because already I have completed still the 8th question in the previous sessions. Okay. So today I am going to continue the 9th question over there. The question given with a picture. They have asked from this, is it yes or no like that, true or false like that only they have given. In the adjoining figure, they asked first, is angle 1 adjacent to angle 2? Angle 1 is adjacent to angle 2, they have asked. These angles are adjacent. We can say first option is yes. Because what is the reason? Because it is having common vertex. It has common vertex. Yes or no? If it is having the common vertex, so we can say that it is a adjacent angle. Okay. Second question they have asked over there. Is angle AOC adjacent to AOE? AOC adjacent to AOE. We can say that no. No, right? Because why we say no? Adjacent angle means it should have the common vertex, but here there is no common vertex. There is no common vertex. There is no common vertex is there. Okay, next. Do COE, angle COE and EOD form a linear pair? Do COE and EOD form a linear pair? Yes. Yes, because COE plus EOD is equal to 180 degree. So it is a linear pair. Okay. Next one. Fourth one. Are BOD and DOA are supplementary? BOD and DOA are supplementary. Of course, yes. Because D is equal to 180 degree. Next one they have asked over there. Fifth one. Is angle 1 vertically opposite to angle 4? Is angle 1 is vertically opposite to angle 4? That one also yes. 1 equal to 4. 1 equal to 4. Then the last one, fifth one. What is the vertically opposite angles of 5? What is the vertically opposite angles of 5? Here is 5. What is the vertically opposite angle? Angle 5 is equal to angle 2 plus angle 3. See, this is the vertically opposite angle we are taking. So, opposite angle of this is 2 this one. So, 2 plus 3. Angle 2 plus 3. Understood, students? What is the question I have explained you? Once again, I am telling you from the adjoining figure, they asked some questions over there. We have to answer in a line yes or no with the reason. Yes or no with the reason. So we have taken the first question they have asked you over there. Angle 1 is adjacent to angle 2. Yes, it is adjacent because it is having the common vertex. Next one they have asked, since COE is adjacent to AOE, since it is not having the common vertex, so it is saying that it is not no. Next, third one they have given over there. Do angle COE and EOD form a linear pair? Of course, COE and EOD form a linear pair. We can say yes. Next, fourth one they have given that are BOD and DOA forms supplementary? Yes, of course it is 180 degree, it is a supplementary. Next, fifth one they have given that's angle 1 vertically to opposite 4? Yes. And last question they have asked for the angle 5, which are the opposite vertical angles? Vertically opposite angles, that also we have done. Okay, understood this question? Now let us go for the question number 10. Now let us go for the question number 10. In question number 10, indicate which pairs are angles. Which pairs of angles are vertically opposite angle linear pairs? They have asked from the chapter. Question number 10, we are going to draw a picture. Question number 10, this one, and one more line goes here. One more line goes here. So we can name the angles. This is 1, this is 2, and this is 3, and this is 4, and this is 5. They have given the angles over there. They have given the angles over there in this question. They ask you to vertically opposite angles. First we have to say by looking this which angles are vertically opposite angles. Vertically opposite angles. So from here, first one, from figure, okay, from figure we can say that vertically opposite angles are only two angles are vertically opposite angles. Only two angles are vertically opposite angles. So the first angle we can take that angle 1 and 4. Absolutely it is opposite angle. Angle 1 and 4 are the first one. Angle 1 and 4 are the first one. Second one they have given over there, angle 5 is there. If you take opposite of this 5 means it will come like this. So angle 5 and sum of angle 2 plus 3. Sum of angle 2 plus 3. This is the vertically opposite angle. Already I told you what is a vertically opposite angle is when the two lines intersect from that opposite sides are formed as a vertically opposite lines. Okay. So according to that, angle 1 is equal and angle 4 it is equal. Okay. Same like that, angle 5 and 2 plus 3. Angle 2 plus 3 is a vertically opposite angle. Okay. Next one, linear pairs. They are asking for the linear pairs. So next to second option is linear pair. So from figure, we can say first linear pair, angle 5 and angle 1. Angle 5 and angle 1 forms a linear pair, right? One more, angle 5 and angle 4 forms a linear pair. This one also forms a linear pair, that means supplementary, and this one also forms a linear pair, supplementary. Okay, so we have taken like this. Understood? Now going for question number 11. When we are going for question number 11, and one more thing I am telling you, in the question number 10, you must be careful with the opposite angles, because here one more ray they have given that. Don't confused with this. Okay, don't confused with this, because this may confuse you that. Okay, so for the confusing only they have given one, so we have taken the angle together. Okay, 2 and 3 we have taken together and we have given the values. 5 is opposite, vertically opposite to the 2 plus 3. Same like that, when you are going for the linear pair means it must give the 180 degree. You may ask, this one you have given sir 5 plus 1 you have given 180 because this one only gives 180 degree, the straight line. Same like that, 4 and 5 only gives the straight line. And you can say me that angle 3, angle 2, angle 1 makes a straight line, but here they have asked only the pairs. Only pair means always should have the only two numbers. Pair means always should have the two numbers, so I have taken like this. So that I have taken only 2 pairs. 1, 2, 3 is not a pairs. This is having the 3 values over there, so I have taken like that. Okay. Next to question number 11, I am going there in the following figure. In the following figure is, 11th question, is angle 1 adjacent to angle 2, give the reasons. Angle 1 adjacent to angle 2, give the reasons they have given. So we have to make the drawing over there. Angle 1, angle 2. Okay. From the figure they are asking, no. That is asked one is whether it is adjacent. Whether it is adjacent, we can say no. Why no? Angle 1 is here, angle 2 is here. Whether it is adjacent they are asking, we can say no. Why we say no? 1 and 2 are not adjacent angles. That already we can say no, angle 1 and 2 are not adjacent angles. That we can say. But why? We have to give the reasons. There was the reasons over there. When we are taking reasons, angle 1 plus angle 2. Angle 1 plus angle 2. What we will get? When we get angle 1 plus angle 2, the answers will be some other different. The answers will be some other difference, and also we can say that this is basic 1 and 2. When you are adding, you may, but both are equal. Both are equal. 1 is equal to angle 1 is equal to angle 2 because it is the alternate interior angle. Alternate interior angle. First topic we can take angle 1 is equal to angle 2. This is alternate angle. And one more thing we can say that it is not having common vertex. Basic one. Basic one is it is not having common vertex. Okay, so we can say that because it is not a common vertex. Here the vertex starts from here to here. Here the vertex common starts from here to there. So we can't say that it is a common vertex. Okay. Now in this question they have given the line and they have asked whether angle 1 and 2 are adjacent angles. When we are saying here no, it is not a adjacent angle. It is not adjacent angle since angle 1 is equal to angle 2 alternate interior angles. I told you already when the diagram figure shows you like a Z form, both interior angles are the equal. Both interior angles are the equal. So we can take angle 1 and angle 2 are the alternate interior angles. First point. One more reason is that it is not have the common vertex. It is not have the common vertex. So we are saying that it is not equal. It is not equal or adjacent angles. Okay. It is not adjacent angles. Not equal only, but it is not an adjacent angle. Okay. Understood? Like this, we have completed today 3 sums. You have to write this one in your copy with picture, question, answers, everything you have to write. Okay, picture is very, very important. The diagram which we have given in the book, that is very, very important. So you have to write it from your copy, write it from your book to the copy and revise the one. Still we have done the first 8 sums before 2-3 sessions before. So you have to revise it from the 5.1 fully. We will continue the next sums in the next session. Okay, take care. Bye.